Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Adidas Melbourne up there, and this is so exciting because we are officially part of the Adidas City series. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the City series. It is an homage to their respective location, whether it's a unique design or a limited colorway. It is made to reflect the culture and characteristics of its city. We've seen London, Paris, Tokyo, just to name a few, but we finally have a Melbourne pair, and this is made by Up There. And what's really cool is that this is not just a limited color or a little bit detail here and there. This is an entirely new silhouette. So Up There, or more specifically Matt, who is the head of special projects at Up There, worked together with the Adidas consortium team to come up with this sneaker. This will drop in store on the 29th of January, which is this Thursday, and then it'll be online the next day, which is the 30th of January. However, they did do a few secret pop-ups last weekend, which they didn't really post about it. They sort of just popped up at 3 different locations. So they had a location at Camberwell Market, Victoria Market, as well as South Melbourne Market. I ended up going to the South Melbourne one, and they had a cute little booth, and it was next to, if you guys are familiar with South Melbourne Market, it was next to the store that has like roasted nuts. It's close to Agatha's pastry. I know this because I always go to Agatha's, so I think they had a really great spot because it's usually always a line at Agatha's, and amongst all the food, there's suddenly a little pop-up store that is selling sneakers. I thought that was a really fun way of releasing the sneakers without really speaking to it. It's kind of like if you were there, you were able to pick up a pair, which is really cool. So I really love the way that they did the initial release, but they will be the proper release on the 29th of January. Obviously, I picked up a pair, so let's get into the details. The Adidas Melbourne is heavily inspired by vintage Adidas models, most prominently the Adidas Rome, which is a sneaker that was made here locally in Melbourne up till the 90s. This is a fact that I learned very recently. I did not know that they were made in Australia, Adidas sneakers, but the Adidas Rome was one of them. When you look at the tongue of the sneaker, this graphic here is actually an exact scan of the original Adidas Rome. They did make a change here where it used to say made in Australia. It actually says made by Up There. This is quite a subtle detail, but I love that it is there. And the actual tongue itself, in terms of the material and like the thickness of the tongue, is very closely modeled after the tongue on the Adidas Rome. The upper is constructed with a mix of mesh, leather, and suede. The mesh is taken from the Adidas Rod Laver. Now, Rod Laver is an Australian former professional tennis player. I'm sure you guys already knew that. And there's also the Rod Laver Arena here in Melbourne, so of course it makes sense to draw inspiration from his signature sneaker. The color blocking was inspired by a pair of track spikes that was used in the 1956 Olympics that was held here in Melbourne. The suede panel here was also inspired by that, as well as the suede around the ankle collar. In terms of laces, we have 2 pairs. There is a white pair as well as a green pair. They both come with green lace tips with the Up There branding. Comfort is also something they considered when designing this sneaker, because typically with sneakers with this profile, they tend to be quite flat on the feet and they lack cushioning. However, Up There did consider that, so this is a little bit more padded on the inside, and with the insole, it actually has a performance insole that's from the Adidas skate range, so it feels really good on feet. And with the outsole, we have a classic gum outsole, which you can't go wrong with. In terms of sizing, I do find that these run a little bit small, not just in terms of the width, but the length. So I recommend going half a size up. I went for a men's 6.5, when I'm usually a men's US 6, and they fit really good on feet and they feel super comfortable. This retails for 220 Australian dollars, and as I mentioned before, they will be releasing in store this Thursday, and then online on the 30th, which is on Friday. Up There will also be doing a launch party for this in store this Thursday, and I will be there, so I hope I see some of you guys there as well. Once again, Up There has done an incredible job with yet another collab, and this is actually their first collab with Adidas, and they came up with a whole new sneaker, which is so cool to see. Anyway, that is pretty much it for me today, guys. Let me know your thoughts about the sneakers in the comments below, whether you'll be picking up a pair. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!